Hey guys, I'm Alan Kaz to tell you in this tutorial how to go for your Gmail recovery in case someone who has stolen your Gmail password, in case you have forgot your Gmail password, or in a case someone who has hacked your Gmail password, or unfortunately this area has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device. So now you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number. What's the alternative approach to recover this Gmail? We will see live in this tutorial. Yes, in this area I have already mentioned to you recommended by someone's, of course, this viewer. So I am trying to recover by a different way, alternative options we will pick here because of he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number. So now that we are on a recovery phase, let's see quickly to recover it. Is it so simple? We will see here now. Or it's hard. Do a step by step, guys. We don't have a password, so just I picked alternative option. We don't have a phone number, so pick the alternative options. Now it's essential that I did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really mine. Then what's the alternative? Don't click on here because you will have to reply. If we go for that, you will have to reply answer is question as shown, or if your account is managed with your family links, then Google will send to you yes an email of your the parents to especially change the password. So Google will contact you, but on the basis of what? You will have to provide enough identity proof informations on the basis of Google Windows to justify. But total estimated times and it can be expected more than 48 hours. So we will pick the alternative options because the data privacy concern of the viewer. So let's pick quickly. Now that we will come on here, guys, we will have to firstly, the come in especially in the Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on it and we will have a here AI browser just to try to install it. So now we will take assistance of Google service, show how it is. Yes, firstly we will have to come on here and hold this thing. Yes, we will come on here. Let's tap on it. When we tap on it, the notification will be open. Now, and we will have to make it off. Then will come the permissions. Tap on it. In permission, guys. So we will have to we will come on here and tap on the permissions. So when we tap on the permissions, now we will tap on our locations. And they are here. We will have to make it the precise location of. Then click on don't allow anybody. So don't allow anybody means this option has been special now. See, disable for timings. We will have to cut it from here, but before declaring, of course, let's see, make the sure the set as the default options to make the enables to get it clear. Then of course make it once again, and of course now we will back after coming on here, and then of course we will tap on it. We have the another product, and that's a Google Chrome. Of course we will hold it, we will come in app info to of course similar way. In notification we will have to tap to off, then we will back and we'll come in a permission. In the permission, of course, tap on a location, make the precise location off, tap on a don't allow any way, click on it. Now we will back. Yes, one more times, and we'll come in especially browser apps. In the browser apps too, click on is this one's. Now we will get it from here. Now what we will do, guys, here simply just we will open this the browser, of course. Now see what will happen here. It will ask some things to confirmation term and conditions. So just we will go for here. Now here we'll go for right on Google co.in. We will have to go on there, Google co.in, just to picture this one, guys. Now we are on here. There will be one chance to especially this one sign in. Just we will approach. So now another page has been open here. Just we will see here. Just we will go for this ID to select here. So yes, we will go for @gmail.com's files, we will go for next. Now see here what's going to happens. It is still asking password. Fines, it will ask, but don't worry, we would like to firstly check it out, is there any alternative options to have the opportunity for us or not. Just we will go for try another way. Yes, this phone number is now showing. So now here is option more tips to recover this account. Yes, this ID can be recovered. Surely I am the challenge. How is it possible by this option? Because we quitted this option answer as many questions as we can. Use a device where we have the shine the before, that's also. And the third one, if your account is managed with the family action, we will send handsome emails to your the parents to the change the password. This through all the we will quit, and of course we will pick this one option, so that is more tips to the recovers in this accounts. Don't click on here, just we will pick this one. So not from here, just we will come in a tapping on a setting, so Google will recover now itself. How is it possible, guys? Yes, and this can be the possible. Now we can see the below the account and the backups, and there is option Google service. In Google service there we'll have option here to help. Now we can see here. Now we will come in a conscience in this account, guys. Conscience in this account. So now so we have an option that someone else is using in this account, so we will have to pick these ones. Now here we will have an option that's a secure your account. Just it will come, so don't worry, guys. Now the cam here. Now what we will do here, just we will come at these steps to recover these accounts. Before the going to there, of course we will have review your account activities. Now here is a especially find out if your account has been hacked, then directly these changes to recover these accounts. Now we will come on here, yes, accounts recovery page, tap on it. So now third page has been open here, and here just we will have to pick these ones. Now we will go for here, simply tap on a next. Let's see. Now see here, guys, what do you say here? It's saying that directly you can go for continue or change the password. So now here don't pick especially continue options, just we will pick this one, change the password. Why not continue? Because you would be trapped in its verify you option, so that's why just we will pick this one, change the password. And if we click on here, so now see we have the strong opportunity to the creates new password, confirms a new password and the phone. After changing, then we will have to go in there. In there just we will tap on here, manage your account security, and where manage your account, there you will have the security option there, add the recovery email and the recovery phone number, so that this kind of incident won't be happens. Now on live screen, so we would like to not generate here the strong password because it would be in a public domain, and this may be the privacy concerns, guys. We will have to deliver in this view this ID. So this is all about. Furthermore, any inquiry, any updates, of course, please like, subscribe and share this content, and there is the query below the comment box if you have any confusion. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.